Dumela! Welcome back to our Setswana class. My name is Amo. I'm a finance degree holder. Today, I'm pleased to teach you about business in Botswana. Kindly listen until the end when I give a tip on how to invest in Botswana. First of all, we are going to learn 6 key vocabulary words. First word is madi, which is money, madi, money. The second word is kgwebo, which is business, kgwebo, business. And the third word is tiseletso ya kgwebo, which is business license, tiseletso ya kgwebo, which is business license. And the fourth word is lekgetho, which is tax. Lekgetho is tax. And the fifth word is kwadisa, which is to register. Kwadisa is to register. And then the last word is thusa, which is support or help. Now we are going to try and create phrases using those key vocabulary words. First is ke tlhoka madi go simolola kgwebo. Ke tlhoka madi go simolola kgwebo. Remember, we were saying madi is money. So in English, now we are saying I need money to start a business. I need money to start a business. The second phrase is ke batla go kwadisa kgwebo ya me. Ke batla go kwadisa kgwebo ya me, which simply means I want to register my business. And then the third one is ke tshwanetse go tsaya tiseletso ya kgwebo. I have to get a business license. I need to get a business license. I have to get a business license. And then the fourth one is a o ka mpolella ka ditlhokego tsa go bula kgwebo. A o ka mpolella ka ditlhokego tsa go bula kgwebo, which is, can you tell me the requirements of opening a business? A o ka mpolella ka ditlhokego tsa go bula kgwebo. Can you tell me the requirements of opening a business? The fifth one, ke batla tshedimosetso ka lekgetho la dikgwebo. Ke batla tshedimosetso ka lekgetho la dikgwebo. I want information about business tax. And the last one is a puso e na le mananeo a go thusa dikgwebo tse dišwa. A puso e na le mananeo a go thusa dikgwebo tse dišwa. Meaning that, does the government have support programs for new businesses? Does the government have support programs for new businesses? A puso e na le mananeo a go thusa dikgwebo tse dišwa. Does the government have support programs for helping new businesses or emerging businesses?